Hi, I'm Srilata, a professor of literature and creative writing at Sai University, Chennai. We are delighted to announce the launch of the Center for Creative Writing and Translation, the first of its kind in South India at a liberal arts university. As a director of the center, I'm hoping that we can set in place mentoring workshops, offer interested writers, emerging writers, as well as more established writers, a space in which to work undistracted from the cares of home and other things, a space where they can learn, where they can grow in their craft as writers. We're also hoping that our own students will be able to learn from writers who visit the center, both writers as well as translators. So this is one thing we're really looking forward to developing by way of writing residencies down the road, maybe in the next 3 to 4 years. Thank you.